Facilities at Royal Crown Guesthouse. Royal Crown Guesthouse in Johannesburg, South Africa, offers a range of convenience facilities to ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for its guests. With a laundry service available on site, travelers can keep their clothes fresh and clean throughout their visit. Whether it's a quick refresh or a full wardrobe revamp, the Guesthouse's laundry service is there to cater to all your needs. For those who prefer to dine in the comfort of their rooms, Royal Crown Guesthouse provides room service, allowing guests to enjoy delicious meals without leaving the comfort of their accommodation. Whether it's a hearty breakfast to start the day or a late-night snack, the Guesthouse's room service menu offers a variety of options to satisfy every craving. To stay connected with friends, family, or business associates, guests can take advantage of the complimentary Wi-Fi available in all rooms and public areas. Whether it's checking emails, browsing the web, or sharing travel experiences on social media, the reliable and high-speed internet access ensures seamless connectivity throughout the guesthouse. For those who prefer to smoke, Royal Crown Guesthouse offers a designated smoking area. This allows guests to enjoy their smoking habits without disturbing non-smokers or violating any smoking policies. The Guesthouse's commitment to providing a comfortable environment for all guests is evident in the thoughtful provision of this designated area. To ensure a clean and tidy space, the Guesthouse provides daily housekeeping services. Guests can return to a fresh and organized room after a day of exploring Johannesburg, knowing that their comfort and convenience are a top priority.